to see you.
Thanks.
It's absolutely a different way to celebrate Women's Day.
Yeah.
Tell us.
I feel. Yeah. I mean, I'm proud to be a woman first of all, and I always look forward for this day because we all actually need to celebrate women. Even men, please understand this, because I feel that every man also has this femininity inside it, which they don't know, and they should know about it. And a little bit of more importance towards girls is always good because we like it. And I have been a state level hockey player. I played hockey. I mean, when I was in school, my friends were like, "Why would you want to play a sport which is not a female sport?" Because मुझे बहुत लगता था, मुझे बहुत लगा है. So and I chose it because I felt I was powerful enough, and I'm strong enough to choose such a sport. I'm a good dancer, and then I'm an actor now, and very soon I'm going to come up with something more which is not related to acting. You all know about it. So I'm privileged to be here and to be a part of the celebration. Happy Women's Day.
Who is the host for tonight?
The host is Shimmer Entertainment.
Tell us your experience working with them.
Okay, so Namita and Tasneem have also been good friends, more than just an agency or an entertainment thing. So they're amazing people. They have actually helped to promote us a lot always. They encourage young talent, and I think it's to keep such an event, to host such an event. It's a good thing that they decided to do this, and I am glad to be a part of this.
Okay, Zubeen, Himansh, Torbaz, what
Okay.
next?
So my new song, which is out, which is called "मैं जिस दिन भुला दूँ," it's a T series song. It's doing really well. So we crossed like 60 million views today, and I'm very happy to be a part of that song and T series, of course. Next is a web series which I just completed like last week. So the platform is yet not revealed, but it's going to be a big thing, the next big thing for me. So you all can watch me in that web.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Okay, hi.
Good to see you. It's absolutely a different way to celebrate Women's Day.
Yeah, yeah.
Are we late?
Sorry?
Are we late?
Sorry, I didn't.
I said, are we late?
No.
How important is the Women's Day?
I think Women's Day, every day is Women's Day. There is not a particular day to celebrate this day.
First of all, happy Women's Day.
Thank you.
बहुत खास दिन है आज और जिस तरीके से सेलिब्रेशन होने वाला है वो बताइए.
आई थिंक वुमेंस डे हर दिन वुमेंस डे होता है तो इसमें सेलिब्रेट करने वाली कोई चीज़ नहीं है बट या देयर इज अ स्पेशली अ डे फॉर वुमेन्स व्हेन वी जस्ट celebrate women being a woman. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, how important you feel like such kind of festival हम बोल सकते हैं तो सभी जो जिस दिन मतलब हस्बैंड या कुछ भी होता है वो उस दिन कुछ ज़्यादा ही स्पेशल करता है. So how important is women?
Sorry, why are you asking me about the women's day? Don't ask me just this.
Yeah, go through with everything.
You asking me so much about women's day.
Veronica, what happening on professional front?
Ask me this, okay, so I can answer that.
What happening on professional front?
Sorry.
What happening on professional front?
Okay, yeah. So I am doing a couple of web series. I just did one short film with Arya, and I'm doing a couple of music videos also. So yeah, I just
Short
started.
film की आप बात कर रहे हैं आर्या बब्बर के साथ अपने लिए. If you can throw some more light on that.
Yeah, I'll talk about it. Let it come. So it's a short film for a very good OTT platform, and it was really fun shooting with Arya. Yeah.
किस जोन में होगी वो फिल्म? कॉमेडी है, थ्रिलर है,
जी
सस्पेंस?
ये कॉमेडी है, मिक्स है कॉमेडी. या
इसके अलावा और कुछ तिजोरी में भी सुना है हमने.
हाँ, तिजोरी is the that short film which I'm talking about. Yeah.
अपने आप में ही बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग का टाइटल लगता है, तिजोरी चोरी
तिजोरी।
होगी या कोई चोरी करेगा।
जी मैं
या
अभी बता नहीं सकती हूँ ये क्या है, उसके लिए आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा तिजोरी क्या है। या
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
थैंक यू सो मच।
So good to see you, Malvi.
Thank you so much.
How important is the Women's Day?
It is really important because we really need to, celebrate the womenhood, and they actually do so much for our society. They give birth to a child, so they are like women are like goddess. So Women's Day is like best time to celebrate womenhood.
Who is your host tonight?
Host Namita and Tasneem. They both are really nice, and I'm very happy to be part of this Women's Day event.
What happening on professional front?
I just finished a web series called Geisha, which is gonna come on Digiflix, and I'm doing 2 films down south, one Tamil, one Telugu. And in Hindi, there is one more going on. I'm doing the script reading for that. So yeah, it's going on the
If you
process.
can throw some more light on the project you're doing for Netflix.
It's about a geisha story of a girl. You know, she's an actress and she comes to Bombay to mark her stand in the industry. And then what happens? It's her struggle so far. How's her journey and stuff? And she meet a lot of people and turn out to be, uh, go into some different directions and stuff, and turn out to be a murder mystery. So it's very interesting, inspired from a real story.
Is this story about you?
Yeah, it's about me. I'm the geisha in the script. Yeah.
That the incident which happened.
Yeah, no, it is very different from that incident. It's not like that. That incident was like a history now. I'm over it. But this is very different story, and it is, it is inspired by a true event which actually happens in our industry. Have you seen Madhu Bhandarkar's Page 3 or the fashion? It's very close to that, but turn out to be a murder mystery. So it's like that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
So, sorry. So good to see you.
Hi, it's really nice to see you all today.
How important is the Women's Day?
I think Women's Day is in totality a celebration, and it is a day to give respect and consider that yes, women are whatever they are doing in their respective fields, they are making a difference, and their validation is so very much important to this world. Also, I feel that a little more equality is what is needed for the woman to grow further in any trade, in any business. So I feel Women's Day in totality is a celebration. It's to all the moms out there, to all the ladies out there, to all the daughters out there, to all the individual women who are trying to make a difference in this world.
Who's your host tonight?
So today I'm here to be. I have been doing my PR with Shimmer. So today I am being hosted by them, and I so look forward to the grand evening. And again, Shimmers, they have two beautiful women who are like entrepreneurs, and you have Namita, you have Tasneem, and it's been started by them. And I think I was one of their initial clients, and ever since then, I have only been associated with them here in Mumbai.
Okay, Manal,
What happened with
like,
professional front?
today we are celebrating Women's Day.
Yeah.
अगर आपको चांस मिला तो कौन सी ऐसी लॉ या any cause you want to start for women?
एक लॉ और एक कॉज जो आपने पूछा कि मैं लेडीज़ के लिए, वुमेन आउट देयर के लिए स्टार्ट करना चाहूँगी, दैट there's a lot of times what I have noticed even in my personal life, a lot of times it has so happened, in fact post COVID, a lot of men, they are trying upon you, and once you say that no, I am not interested or anything, they say, oh shit, oh, we were just kidding or something like that. It has I was just discussing it with my friends, it has become a new trend, a new trick for men to try on a woman, and then when the woman holds herself back, they say, I was just kidding or something. So this is a very different thing which is happening in the society. And at the end of it, what you are trying to convey to a woman, that you were just misunderstanding me, or you just made a fool out of yourself. No, I just want to say that women are very smart, and anything of that sort, if a woman is facing in a work scenario or any scenario, that should also be taken in consideration, because that is also kind of not molestation, but you are just uh, you know uh, trying to harm their psyche somewhere. You feel bad about it, that what happened, what really happened, was it a mistake or I misunderstood, but somewhere it's triggering your mind. So why you are trying to act in a particular manner where a woman is having that question mark, and that something like that, I would like to start this cause where women can come together and they can have at least a discussion, and one woman can help suggesting another woman that yes, this was your experience and this was my experience, and things like that, they are happening in society, and that also needs a calling. And this is really happening with a lot of people even going to college, girls going to even school, of course at workplaces. So maybe a society where women can just come together and just have a discussion, because a discussion makes a lot of difference, and new ideas coming from another woman, it really can make a difference to the society in large.
What happening on professional front? What happening on professional front?
On the professional front, I completed a web film in Telugu where I mostly work, and I also completed a web film here in Bollywood. It's going to be coming on a new OTT, which is being launched in a very big manner. So I'm really looking forward. The Hindi one is a cute 23-minute story, and it's been shot very